without compromising quality. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has said that the state government would apply the same principle of getting the people's consent in solving the boundary dispute with Assam in its second phase. Speaking at a party's block-level meeting yesterday at Mukayao, Sangma said this was the principle accepted and applied by the government during the first phase to resolve the 6 areas of differences with Assam. Sangma said that in the last 4.5 years, this government has taken decision for the people like never before. This government will not shy away from resolving the interstate boundary dispute, he added.
Our commitment is fully there. We will not ever leave our people. I can assure you. We do not leave them in the first phase. We are not leaving them now. Unless people say we want to leave, then we cannot stop. But if people of that area say we want to be with Meghalaya, we will bring you to Meghalaya. Don't worry about that. So we will try our best. We will do our best. You have to give us some time to work on it. Okay. Yes, sir. It's not very simple because a lot of work is to be done. And the small area of this Karbi area, there will be a bit of a problem. I have to see how to resolve it. Because, where will they go? Because we cannot have one island of Assam there in the middle of nowhere.
State Agriculture